In this tutorial, we will see how to load a raster in QGIS using Python. First of all, go to Plugins menu and then click Python console. Then if your editor is not turned on, click on this button that says Show Editor to open the editor. Now here we can write our code. This is the code that we will be using for loading the raster image using Python. I'll share the code with you in the comment section. Now let's see the code. First, we make a variable named raster path, and here we have to provide the raster path. We have one raster in our downloads folder. Let's right click on the image and click copy as path. Let's paste our raster path here. Next, we make another variable named layer name and name it as satellite image. Here you can write any name that you want as your layer name. Now we create a raster layer using QgsRasterLayer function. Here raster path tells QGIS where the file is and layer name sets the display name of the layer. After creating the layer, we check whether it loaded successfully. IsValid returns true if the raster is loaded correctly and false if something went wrong. If the raster is valid, we add it to the QGIS project. This line adds the raster layer to the current QGIS project so it appears on the map. If the raster fails to load, we print an error message that is raster failed to load. This helps us quickly know that the file path or format may be incorrect. That's it. Now let's run the code. We can see that our raster is imported as a layer in QGIS. Using just a few lines of PyQGIS code, we can load any raster file such as GeoTIFF, IMG or satellite imagery directly into QGIS. Now let's close this dialog. Since this is a satellite imagery, we need to change the symbology to view it as true color. Let's go to properties and symbology. For Sentinel-2 image, the bands should be 4, 3 and 2. Let's apply and see. We can see that the image is now in true color visualization. Thanks for watching.